Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to give everybody a thank you who is following me right now, and is commenting right now and liking right now. This is my first video. I just got out of the shower, but how do I say this? I have a new room. Most of it is a theme, so you might get the theme. If you don't, I'll tell you maybe later in the year why that theme is. I can't tell you today. I just want to get on with the video. So yeah, alright. So I'm trying to keep this close as possible because I don't want to, show you. Alright, so let me shut the door. Alright, so right here I have my coat. Now, here's the theme of the room. It's really nice. Right now, not many of you might like this movie, but it's called Mary Poppins. And there's some slimy. There's the slime. Woo! Alright, let's get popping. Alright, let's go. Now, I have an A for Aubrey. That's my A. Alright, and then as you guys know, pop sockets are kind of also a little fan. I have a pop socket. Woo! Alright, you want to see something cool? Woohoo! Alright. Let me turn off the light. Oh, we let you fly the world. Nobody's gonna get turtled. Yeah. So, yeah. It's really cool. But, yeah. Then I, of course, have my little stuffy bear. If you've ever seen these before, they're like really fluffy. I think they're really fluffy, and they're really fun to squeeze. They're kind of like squeeze animals. I just heard that on like an ad or something. We love to squish or squeeze them all. Alright, so yeah. But this is my first video, so give me a shout out or something like that, so I know YouTube is working for me. Whew. You're shaking there, buddy. You're shaking. All right, so bye.